Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a butterfly. Let's start off by drawing a small circle for the head. Followed by a really long U shape for the body. Next, draw the top wing with a line that curves up and to the right, bends back down and in, bends back down a bit more, and then turns and curves back to the body like so. Then, mirror that step on the other side. For the bottom wings, start from here and draw a line going down at an angle, curving down to the left, and then curving one more time back to the body like so. Then mirror this on the other side as well. On the head, draw two lines going up and out for the antenna. Now we can decorate our butterfly. Let's start off with 3 oval shapes at the end of each wing. Then, a tall, curved rectangle shape that follows the curve of the top wing. A small triangle underneath, and one more shape underneath that just fills out the rest of the wing. And mirror that pattern on the other side. For the bottom, draw a tall angled U shape like this, with a small rounded triangle underneath, and one more bob shape underneath that fills out the rest of the wing. Repeat this one more time on the other side. Remember, it doesn't have to match exactly. Experiment with different shapes and patterns to make your own unique butterfly. And lastly, you can color in the body like so. And now you've got a butterfly.